Hi, I'm Prabhu Sundaraman. I work as a software consultant at Durasoft. There are a lot of libraries like React, GraphQL, and AngularJS 2, 3, 4 that are being very widely used these days. If you are a developer and if you want to comfortably work in all these libraries, there are some concepts in JavaScript, that is the latest version, ECMAScript 2017 or ES6, that you need to know. So here is a series of sessions on these concepts. The first concept that we're going to discuss in this video is object destructuring. Let's try to understand this with some code. I want to create a JS file. Let's call it, say, destruct.js. I want to construct an object, say, person equals name, Sam, age, 12. Now what I want to do is I want to extract the name and age from this object and store it in variables. So the old style is you create a variable called name and say person dot name, and you create a variable called age and then say person dot age. Let's try to display them. Name, age. What I do is I go to my term console and try to run this using Node.js, node destruct.js. You get Sam and 12. So this is old style. Now let's try to write this code in the latest version. So let's do this. What you can do is you can write a pattern name comma age equals person. That's it. So what happens is in the right hand side of this assignment operator, you pass an object, and in the left hand side, you specify the pattern. So automatically, a name and age properties are extracted out of the person object and assigned to the respective variables. So when you run them, you get the same output. That's fantastic. Let's try to extend this. Say what you do. Let's try to run something like this. I want n comma a equals person, and I want to try to print n comma a. So n comma a is bad names for variables. However, I just want to trying to explain something here. So run this. It says undefined because there is no property called n. There is no property called a present in this object person. So we get undefined. You can also have nested properties. For example, you have address and city. Let's say London, and you want to extract the city out of the person object. So what you can do is you can give a pattern like this. You can just say address colon city equals person. Let's try to run this person. Let's try to print this city. Run this. So run it. You get London. So what happens is from the person object, it looks for this pattern. It looks for a property called address, and it looks for a property called city inside this address. Yes, we find something, so it automatically takes a value London and assigns it to city. So you get the output. Most of the React applications, the code that you write, if you look at the first two lines, you will have let component from React and things like that. So whenever you see these curly braces, you just have to remember that you're using object destructuring. It looks for a particular property in the right hand side object. Right. Thanks.